Hello, and welcome to K&M Tire News. I'm Reese Shadle, Marketing Intern at K&M Tire, and we have great news for Mr. Tire and Big 3 Tire dealers. For the month of August, we will be running a $70 General Tire consumer mail and rebate exclusively for eligible Mr. Tire and Big 3 Tire dealers. Along with that, we will also be running a $5 per tire purchase incentive for eligible Mr. Tire and Big 3 Tire dealers, all on Yokohama consumer tires in the month of August. And to help our dealers sell those Yokohama tires, we're going to run a $70 Yokohama Tire consumer mail and rebate for the entire month of September. Joining us live from the shop is local Mr. Tire store manager, Rob Johnson.
He's paid up. Yeah, the Mr. Tire program has been vital to the bottom line of our business. These rebates and purchase incentives not only help our cash flow, but also drive up the car count with SEO, SEM, geofencing, and social media ads that level the playing field for us. We get to load up our inventory in August with Yokohama PLT products and receive $5 a tire on our statement for doing so. Then, to help sell the products, the Mr. Tire program allows us to admin an exclusive $70 rebate to our consumers that our competitors can't do. It's a win-win for us and our customers.
That's right, Rob, and it doesn't stop there for September incentives. We're also going to include an exclusive $60 consumer mail and rebate on Mastercraft tires as well. We'll also run a $5 per tire purchase incentive on Continental consumer tires in September, backed up by an exclusive $70 Continental mail and rebate in October for eligible Mr. Tire and Big 3 Tire dealers.
I think I'm seeing a pattern here. You help us stock up by giving us $5 a tire to buy in, and then give us an exclusive consumer rebate the next month to sell out. It really does pay to be a Mr. Tire dealer.
It sure does, Rob. Huge savings and huge incentives with the Mr. Tire and Big 3 Tire programs. For complete details on all things Mr. Tire and Big 3 Tire, visit us on the web at kmtire.com/Mr. Tire or kmtire.com/Big 3 Tire, or contact your local K&M Tire outside sales rep today.